Revolut has been making waves in the fintech space, promising a seamless banking experience. But is it really worth the hype? Let's dive into the app's features, usability, and whether it's a solid choice for your financial needs. Revolut is a financial app that offers a blend of banking services, currency exchange, and cryptocurrency trading all wrapped up in one sleek interface. Right off the bat, the user experience feels modern and intuitive, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. You can hold multiple currencies in your account, which is great for travelers or anyone dealing with international transactions. The app also offers instant spending notifications, budgeting tools, and the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, which is quite appealing for those looking to dip their toes into crypto investments. However, while the core functionality seems robust, some users might find the lack of detailed customer support options a bit concerning. Additionally, certain features like advanced trading tools and investment options may feel limited for more experienced users. Overall, while the app has a lot to offer, its full potential might not be clear at first glance. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Revolut's multi-currency accounts and competitive exchange rates are fantastic for frequent travelers. The instant notifications for transactions are also a nice touch, keeping you informed about your spending. However, there are some frustrations to consider. Customer support can feel lacking, especially if you run into issues. Also, while the free tier is decent, many features like insurance and higher withdrawal limits are locked behind high subscription tiers, which might deter casual users. Some users have reported delays in transactions or issues with crypto trading, which can be a concern if you're looking for reliability. So, while it's a solid choice for some, it might not suit everyone, especially those who need more comprehensive support. In conclusion, Revolut is worth considering if you're looking for a user-friendly app that covers the basics of banking, travel, and crypto. However, if you need extensive support or advanced trading features, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it has potential, but be sure to weigh your specific needs before diving in.